Visualize an iceberg drifting in the Arctic. While some of it may be seen above the surface of the water, the most of it submerged beneath. The same is true with your mind. The conscious mind, which we are aware of, is visible and known to us, but the subconscious, which is another, at least as significant, component, makes up your mind. So, how can we reach such a big, seemingly inaccessible region of our minds? Socrates Inc. present The Power of Subconscious Mind. Unlock your master key to success. The summary from the author Joseph Murphy. In this video, we'll be exploring the incredible influence your subconscious has on your thought, feeling, and action, and how can you tap into its vast potential to create the life you desire. We'll be discussing key points from the book and sharing some inspiring stories of individuals who have used the power of their subconscious to achieve their goals and overcome challenges. Note number 1. Your subconscious mind is the driving force behind your thought, feeling, and action. According to Murphy, your subconscious mind is like a powerful computer that is constantly at work, processing and storing information, creating habits and patterns, and driving your thought, feelings, and action. It is responsible for your automatic behavior, such as driving a car or brushing your teeth, as well as your beliefs and attitudes about yourself and the world. It is also the source of your creativity and intuition, and it has the ability to manifest your desires and goals if you give it the right instruction. Note number 2. You can reprogram your subconscious mind to change your beliefs and behaviors. One of the key insights of the book is that you have the power to reprogram your subconscious mind to change your belief and behavior. According to Murphy, your subconscious mind is receptive to new ideas and suggestions, and it will accept and act on any thought and belief you repeatedly feed it. This means that you can use your conscious mind to plant new seeds of thought in your subconscious, which will then grow and manifest in your reality. This can be done through various techniques such as affirmation, visualization, and meditation, which help to align your conscious and subconscious mind and create new neural pathways in your brain. Note number 3. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires and goals. By focusing on what you want and giving your subconscious clear and specific instruction, you can tap into its vast creative potential and bring your dream to fruition. Murphy shares the story of how a young woman named Mary used the power of her subconscious to manifest her desire to become a successful singer. Mary was told by a singing coach that she had a terrible voice and would never succeed as a singer. However, Mary refused to believe this and instead chose to focus on her desire to sing. She used affirmation and visualization to plant the seed of her desire in her subconscious, and through consistent practice and perseverance, she was able to overcome her fear and insecurity and became a successful singer. Note number 4. Your subconscious mind is influenced by your thought and belief. Your subconscious mind is influenced by your thought and belief, according to Murphy. Negative thought and belief can hold you back and limit your potential, while positive thought and belief can help you achieve your goals and reach your full potential. Murphy suggests that by cultivating a positive mindset and replacing negative thought with positive ones, you can transform your life and manifest your desires. He shares the story of how a man named Jack was able to overcome a lifelong fear of public speaking by using affirmation and visualization to reprogram his subconscious mind. Jack had always been terrified of speaking in front of crowds, but after using this technique to shift his belief and focus on what he wanted, he was able to overcome his fears and become a confident and successful public speaker. Note number 5. Your subconscious mind is connected to a universal mind and can access infinite wisdom and knowledge. Murphy believed that your subconscious mind is connected to a universal mind, which is source of infinite wisdom and knowledge. By tapping into this universal mind and asking for guidance and assistance, you can access a higher level of understanding and wisdom that can help you achieve your goals and overcome challenges. He suggests using prayers and meditation as tools to connect with the universal mind and access this higher level of consciousness. This is what we call as the law of divine oneness. Note number 6. Your belief and thought shape your reality. According to Murphy, your belief and thought have a powerful influence on your reality. If you believe that you are limited or unworthy, your subconscious will work to manifest those beliefs and create experiences that align with them. On the other hand, if you believe that you are capable and deserving of abundance, your subconscious will work to bring those beliefs to life. Murphy suggests that by becoming aware of your negative beliefs and replacing them with positive ones, you can create a more fulfilling and successful life. Note number 7. Your subconscious can be programmed for success through repetition and visualization. Murphy asserts that your subconscious can be programmed for success through repetition and visualization. By consistently repeating affirmation and visualizing your goals and desires, you can train your subconscious to focus on what you want and bring it into your reality. Murphy suggests that this is especially effective when done in state of relaxation or meditation, as this allows your subconscious to be more receptive to your suggestion. Note number 8. You can use the power of your subconscious to overcome challenges and achieve your goal. By visualizing and positive affirmation, you can tap into your subconscious to find creative solutions and affirmation. Murphy shares the story of how a man named George used the power of his subconscious to overcome his fear of public speaking and become a successful motivational speaker. Through consistent visualization and positive affirmation, George was able to shift his belief about his abilities and eventually overcome his fear, allowing him to achieve his dream of speaking in front of a large audience. Final key summary. In conclusion, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy is a powerful and transformative book that teaches the reader how to tap into the vast potential of their subconscious mind and manifest their desires and goals. By understanding the role of subconscious mind in shaping our reality, we can learn to control our thought and belief and use the power of the universal mind to bring about positive change in our life. Remember, your subconscious mind is continually working and you may use its power to your advantage. This latent power may assist you in dealing with any situation in your life, increasing your mental and physical well-being. Finally, the entire process is dependent on visualizing success and eliminating negative belief. With the power of your subconscious mind, you have the ability to create the life you want and achieve your dreams. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel so we can make more content like this. If you have any question or would like more information, I recommend checking out the book for a more in-depth exploration of the concept discussed, and maybe start take advantage of your subconscious mind. Thanks for watching.